We are in Abeokuta in Jamaica.
Say it again.
We are in Abeokuta in Jamaica. Look up there. This is water coming straight from the mountain. Okay?
I'm here in Abeokuta Nature Park. Abeokuta Nature Park is where indentured workers settled from Nigeria. Abeokuta is the capital of Ogun State in Nigeria. This pool right here is a man-made pool. They made it. It was meant to be a reservoir for water, but they eventually used it for swimming as well. It's from 4 feet to 10 feet. When they settled here, they looked around. You see the mountains. You see the mountains all around. So it reminded them of home. It reminded them of Abeokuta, where they come from. And as you know, Abeokuta means under the rock, and pretty much Abeokuta, it's a rocky. It's all rocks, and that's why we have the famous Olumo Rock. So it feels really good to come down here because this is one connection. This is one home away from home, because Jamaica and Nigeria, they share a lot of similarities. They share a lot of history, and I'm here to connect a lot of this. This is part of why I am here. This is part of my experiences in the Caribbean, in Jamaica, because we're gonna have the first flight charter. And this is one of the reasons why this is very important to me as a project, because we're going to be connecting the roots to the branches. Africa is the root, and the Caribbean is the branch. So at Abeokuta Nature Park, one love.
People, they're saying that in Europe, people, they know them and you can't tell them nothing like that. And you know they are. Because their grandparents was from Nigeria. Okay.
Yes.
I have a gentleman live up there called him
Maslow.
Maslow father came from Nigeria. They had a slavery about 1862, something like that. They find that person come to Jamaica from all over Africa. But somebody history, somebody don't know. Come to Jamaica and they would look for their loved one. Some would find their loved one and go back. Some would stay here and family. So that's what Maslow did. Maslow's father. Yeah, so he becomes, married and having family.
I stayed here.
Ever hear about Babatunde? Babatunde name supposed to publish nothing.
Babatunde is a popular name.
Yeah, in Nigeria.
Yes, Babatunde.
He's a Jamaican, but he was a famous talk show host.
Yes, because Yoruba is my tribe, so I speak Yoruba.
I know.
That's my first.
I say I know. Yeah.
So which words do you speak in Yoruba?
Eh?
Which words do you speak in Yoruba?
No, say I don't speak no words. Cause you hear what happened. You what happened? You don't have no Bible, so right. When like a Farrington, when I used to go to Kingston,
You'll find some there. There are lots.
English everybody, I see them were going to university in Jamaica.
Yes. So which Yoruba should I teach you before I go?
Anyone you want,
Which word? Pick one.
I say hello then.
Hello. Bawoni. Yes, that's how are you. Bawoni. Then if you want to tell me fine, you say dada. No, not like okay. So I'm off now. So
Odabo.
Odabo. Well done. Odabo. Thank you, family. Odabo.